So what's up guys, today we'll be creating a multi-layer donut chart. So once you have your data in Excel, so what you want to do now is create a table. So you go to insert, click on table, you check this, then press OK. Now we have our table. So now I can go back to insert. Now go to private chart, private table rather. So click on OK. Now we have our pivot field here. So you just select whatever you want to display. So I want to see my sales and my outlet. So for my outlet, these are my sales. But I want to create, but what I actually want here is percentage. So I would left click on this. Then I'll go to show value as column total. So these are all two you are going to have. And then go to home. So I'll change this. Yeah. I should just highlight everything together. So now next thing I want to do is I'll extract my data out from the table. So I'll just press equal to, click on it, then drag it down. So I just reference that. So now I need the information that is related to this. Let's equal to, I'll reference that one too. So now I would erase this. Then I would just click on this cell. That means that if there's any changes in this cell, this too will change automatically. Push it down, change it to percentage. Now that, and you know for a fact that we are creating a multi-layer donut chart. So we are going to have this 1, 2, 3, 4. So that means you are going to have 4 layers. So and we still just have one. So we are going to create 3 of these more. So let's do that. What do now is I'd click, I'd highlight these rows and column. The first one, the second one only. Then I'll go to insert. Then I'll click on the pie chart to accelerate the donut one. Now we have it here. So I'll just stretch this out to the rest. Now we have how many layers? 1, 2, 3, 4 layers. Now that we have this ready, so you can just make it bigger. So let me just insert this. Let me create a black background. Let me create a black background. I can change the shape fill to black. Although this one is necessary, this whole thing I'm doing here is not necessary. So now let's start formatting. Let's start formatting our donut chart. And now click format format chart. Left click on it, the format chart area, click on fill, border, no line. So what I want to do next is I want to remove the white in the middle of the chart. I'll click on it once, go to border, no line, click on this two once, no line, click on this two, no line, and click on the last one too, no line. So you have how many layers? So you have 1, 2, 3, 4. So from the smallest, to start removing the layers from the smallest. Since we have 4, so the first layer, you are going to remove every other layers that you have till you have 1 left. So this one you are going to double click it, so that you are just going to select that portion alone. So go to fill, click on no fill. This one to double click it, no fill. This one too, no fill. So which one is the next one? This one is the next one here. All the way here, no fill, no fill. So 1, 2, this one is off. So this one is just no fill. Can you see that now? I think we are getting closer. I think we are getting closer to Doughnut chart. Chart title, I don't know this. I can just press on this, that one. I can make it bigger. So what I want to do next is just to show some information relating to this. Can I click it? Add data label. Okay, let me see. Let me drag it out. Okay, I'll then go to format. Let me format this one. Format data label. Let me go to text option. Text option. Solid there. Let me change that to white. And let me give it. Okay. Let me go to this label option. And go to the border solid line. Let me give it white. Now see what we have there. So I'm going to do that to the rest too. Now, so now this is what we have for this. But the thing is that now you can see this is actually linking this one is actually linking directly to chat, while others are not. So what you can do in that sense is you can just delete this one. Let me delete. Any person delete. So this one now I can then add back the data label. Mm, Add data label. Okay. Format. I'll format it. Format data label. Text. Text option. Put it white. Label option. Border. Solid line. So it's white. So I'll do it the rest with the other two. Now after the whole formatting, actually I'm done, but you can just add, you know, just try new things with it. You can change the colors, if it's left to me, I'll just change the colors of the whole thing. For example, this. But it will be okay for you to, find a color pattern of like the kind of color you want to use. That's the best thing. Can you just go to format, go to the fill. I can just click solid. I can change that to white. If I can then change it to this one. I can change this to let me change something light and this little something light. And this one, so from something light, you want to start reducing it. Like from something light, you want to do something deeper. Mm, from something light. And that's actually like you can do it anyhow though. But I just feel like that's the best thing. Go from get something light, something dark. You can just this thing. Okay, that's true. Okay, yes, I think it's okay. But then it's just preference or color theme of the kind of chart you are actually producing. Yeah, I think it's nice. I guess it's nice. So you can just play. Now, for example, I can just want the maximum to start displaying the middle of this thing. So what I want to do is just, as I said earlier, just reference. So just write a bit of this statement. Okay. So let me go like this. Let me just put so I can see what I want to write. And I can just write it to select the highest. So you can just write okay equal to if this equal to if this one is equal to the maximum of this cell considering Put it into the reference, right? Yes. If that cell is greater than the maximum of these cells, the maximum of these cells, then print this cell. If this cell is equal to the maximum of this, then print this cell. Else, don't print anything. Enter. I can now drag this one down here now. So that is the maximum. So let me just let me format that. Let me format this. That's 69% for that. So if I want that to show here, I'll just go to insert, text box, and I have my text box here. So let me go to review. Let me show formula bar here. So here I can just write equal to this guy here and press enter. Okay, okay, equal to, okay, I'll press it in the formula bar, equal to this one. Yes, so we have it here now. So let me just shift this back. I'll format this one too. Let me change the color. I'll change the color to white. Oh, sorry. Let me put something for white. Format. Let me go to format shape. This is the shape here. No fill. And this. No borders. So I can increase and then increase the size of, of the font. Okay. I can change the font.